With every Offering Trio account, there is the ability to host your own website as well. Automatically, it will be an unpublished website, so you can work on this until you're ready to publish it, or maybe publish it and only keep one of the multiple pages available listed, so the other pages while you're working on cannot be navigated to. Every Offering Tree website comes with a few basic default pages as well. These are your home pages, offerings, membership and packages, schedule, blog, contact, store, and gift cards pages. The store and gift card pages are automatically in draft, but all the other ones are public and client facing. You can also create your own pages other than these pre-existing ones. And if you do not want to use the ones that we have created, you can simply hide it by changing the visibility to unlisted or even unpublished. On your pages tab within websites, this is where you can edit them. You also can rearrange them to different order on your navigation. And you can also quickly look at these pages by clicking on the link below the title of the page. It will open up in a new tab. Now, because I am logged in and this is an unpublished page, it will remind me that no one else will be able to see this, only those who are logged in and have the access to edit these pages. We have the navigation menu set up with the published and listed pages, and you can easily click through to see what these look like. Our home page has a template that we have added, but this can be changed and edited as well. When you are creating your site, you can also add new pages, but you can go to edit either an existing or a new page. When you're editing your homepage, you have the option as well to change the header and the footer settings. So the header is the navigation part that is available and can be shown on all pages. You also have the option to hide these on specific pages as well. Your footer is at the bottom of your website, and you can change the style, the orientation, or display and layout of this as well. The contact page actually is not a separate page. It simply links to this part of your footer. Every time you edit a page, you'll have the option to give it a title. In other pages, you can also add a SEO title, and you can also write a description. This will help with visibility of your web page. You can also decide some of the major things within your page style, like is it full width? Do you want to show the header, the footer? Do you want to show the back to top button or not? You can add a universal background color to this page. You can change the transparency, or you can also add an image. If you add an image, you have options to choose the layout for that too. And you can change the paddings for the page as well as the animation style. And you can add a custom CSS code as well. When you are editing your page, you can click on a section to edit this specific section of the template. You have options to move this down with the arrows. You can also move it back up if you change your mind. You can ask Sprout to do something specific with this section by giving Sprout a prompt. You can also link to the section within the site. So if you want to get clients to scroll down to a section of the page, you can use this link as well. You can duplicate this, and then you can also edit. When you edit, you have options to change the header, the text, the buttons. You can change the section link. So this is what you would link to a button or another area so people get scrolled into this specific section of the page. And you can also change the color settings. There are a few templates that we bring in from your website style, but you can also override these. You can click any of the options or click on the pencil within these color settings and change some of the other parts of the theme as well, like your heading color, your text color, etc. If you're working on a section and maybe it is not relevant at the moment for your business, you can also make it hidden so it won't show up to your clients, but you'll be able to edit it in the background, and when you're ready, you can make it visible again. If you worked on a section that you'd like to copy to other pages as well, what you could do is click on that section, click on the pencil, and then scroll down to find copy section. You can copy this, confirm, save, head back to your pages and find another web page that you want to edit. Once it opens up, instead of this menu on the sections part, on the left hand side you can scroll to the bottom and choose paste section. It will be pasted to the bottom of the page, but you can also move it any other section of your site as well. Then you can click save. When you're editing your pages, you can also click preview and you can quickly see what it will look like on desktop, on tablet, and on mobile as well. When you're creating a site and changing the visibility, published means that it is available for anyone landing on your page to access this site. They don't have to be an admin person or logged in. And you can also make it unlisted. In order to access it, the client has to have the link. There is no navigation menu at the top for this page. And you can also make a page members only. So someone with either all or specific memberships can only access this page. Anyone else will not be able to access the page. You can also create new pages. When you click on create new page, you can build it with Sprout, or you can choose any of our existing templates as well. Even these templates could be changed, but you can also preview to check if this style would work for the page that you are creating. If you create a blank page, it will start from scratch. You can give it a navigation title that shows up on your header bar. You can give it a page title and SEO description as well. You can decide what the page URL would be. And you can add your own sections that you can choose from the pre-designed sections, or you can choose from building blocks as well. And you can build your site block by block. Once you feel like you're ready to publish your site, all you need to do is click here and publish your site. We highly recommend that you work on your homepage first, and you can make the other pages hidden or unlisted, displaying that your site is in progress and it's coming soon. So there is somewhere for your clients to land to and get in touch with you, but the other pages are not available yet.